Hi, this is Joe from the Math Perimeter, where I help to make mathematics accessible, engaging, and approachable through videos, articles, and infographics. This video is part 6 of a 6-part series where I show you how to integrate products of sine and cosine. For more information about this topic, please refer to the article linked in the description. In this video, we will evaluate the integral of sine of x cosine squared of 2x dx. We begin by applying the power reducing identity, which gives 1/2 times the integral of sine of x times 1 plus cosine of 4x dx. Distributing the sign, we obtain 1/2 times the integral of sine of x plus sine of x cosine of 4x dx. Next, we apply the product to sum identity, which gives 1/2 times the integral of sine of x plus 1/2 sine of 5x plus sine of negative 3x dx. Applying the even-odd identity, we obtain 1/2 times the integral of sine of x plus 1/2 times sine of 5x minus sine of 3x dx. Distributing the 1/2 gives 1/2 times the integral of sine of x plus 1/2 sine of 5x minus 1/2 sine of 3x dx. Integrating then gives 1/2 times minus cosine of x minus 1/10 cosine of 5x plus 1/6 cosine of 3x plus c. Distributing the 1/2, we arrive at a final answer of minus 1/2 cosine of x minus 1/20 cosine of 5x plus 1/12 cosine of 3x plus c. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.